Komamai. Welcome. In today's video, we're spending the day on Oahu's North Shore, a place that's super special to me and one that we're really passionate about supporting. We'll be showing you what it's like right now with some well-loved favorites and discovering incredible new spots as we do something a little different and take you around the northern tip of the island, finishing off near iconic Kualoa Ranch and Chinaman's Hat over on the windward side. And if you enjoy exploring Hawaii and beyond with us as your local friends, we'd be super thankful to have you subscribe. We're so happy you're here with us. Let's get started. Good morning, guys. We're here on this breezy day here up on the North Shore. You guys know this is one of my favorites, and I really wanted to show you what it was like after that historic flooding that we had. I know some are concerned, are things opened? Is the North Shore a good place to still come to? Definitely. So we're going to show you some of our old favorites and some new finds as well. First up, we're here at Haleiwa Bowls. And if this gives you any answer, it is definitely bustling and busy. If not, this is even busier than a lot of times that we've seen even before the flooding. So have no fear. The North Shore is definitely open for business, starting with Haleiwa Town. Everyone enjoying their acai bowls. I'm going to be walking up here to order mine as well. I'll show you a little glimpse of what we get. And then after we're fueled up, we'll get started on our day. So right in front of Haleiwa Bowls is one of my favorites, and that's Saylors Coffee. So we're going to be taking you guys in here as well, just to see if there's anything new. Okay, so looking at some of the merchandise here in Saylors, and I love this hat. It has a lot of the names of the towns out here. Really cute. Okay, so what do you guys think? Is that cute? I love it. I think it's so cute. So I think we might get this one. I love this menu too. So I already have a latte in the car, but oh my goodness, mango matcha with a house-made mango lily koi sauce. Okay, I think that I'm just gonna have to get that one. Got this house-made mango lily koi sauce, matcha, and a house-made cashew milk. One of the friends that's with us today, he was saying that he tried the house-made cashew milk. I think he got it in a latte, and it was so good. I was so excited. I love a plant-based milk. I used to make my own macadamia nut milk, my own almond milk, so it's always such a treat. So I'm very excited. I love mango, especially local mango and a local lily koi. Something so delicious and so special. Oh wow, so good. So the mango's a little sweet. The lily koi gives that tartness and the nice brightness of the matcha.
When you come out to the North Shore, a must-do is Ted's Bakery. Best pies, probably in Hawaii. They're known for their chocolate haupia cream pie. Again, haupia being that coconut flavor, the cream. Very well known. Before you could get it almost anywhere, like in grocery stores, Costco, but now it's pretty limited to mostly to the store. I do see them out there once in a while, but if you're on the North Shore, definitely get one. You will not regret this.
First place, best of the best, just a testament to how good it is. This was the classic Sunset Beach store back in the day, so something really nostalgic and special for up here in the North Shore. It's really nice because you're supporting a local business, local family that has been here for decades. Really something special. You can come here and get some souvenir items as well. It's so busy in here, kind of hard to really get to show you guys all of the different components of the shop, but come here, stop, get a plate, get some pie, get a couple of souvenirs, check out Ted's Bakery. Got some beautiful things from the bakery here. So that was a coconut roll cake. Yeah. That looks gorgeous. I love coconuts, one of my favorites.
So good. And then for Amelie,
is it chocolate or is it matcha?
Nope. Lavender. I saw donut.
Oh, nice. Oh, she's gonna love that. And you guys got a nice barbecue sauce in there too. Very nice. That looks really good. Yes, that's a really good brand. I love that they sell it here. You take it home as a souvenir. Nice. Nice looking hamburger steak, and this is how I would eat it, with salad too, because I'm not a big rice person. And garlic shrimp and brown rice and mac salad. Smells so good.
Places to eat out here at Ted's Bakery. We're on the North Shore. This is a mixed plate. They actually have a good selection of different things. You can make a combination up to 3 different items, which we did today. So we have the chicken katsu, which is like a fried.
Some classic music going.
So yeah, somebody stuck in the 90s. Yeah. But it's like fried chicken for the most part. But we actually use it katsu sauce, which is like a ketchup-based Worcestershire sauce. It actually is really good. If you haven't had it, you gotta try that. And then you have your short ribs, which is a popular, and then we have our terry beef, which is actually pretty cool because it's like nice thick cuts. So this all together, little pricey. It came out to with tax about $30. However, we did get that free slice of pie with it, and it is big enough to feed 2 for sure.
2 scoops of rice and mac salad as well. Classic
Gotta have the
plate.
mac salad. Gotta have the Tabasco for the mac salad. Like I said, if you haven't tried it, gotta try. Must do.
This is an exciting time to get into this delicious plate. Well, after you get your plate, this is the best place to come and sit. They have this pavilion out here. Really nice because you can just sit and relax and you have all of the greenery. You can even sit on a little picnic bench right here out in the sunshine if you want a little more vitamin D. Really nice. Look at all of the beautiful plants and foliage. Okay, now we're making a stop here at Sunset Beach after having that delicious meal at Ted's right across the street. And this is a great one to come to because as you can see behind me, there is a lot of parking right here. And the beautiful thing is that you can park right in front and the beach is right in front of you. If you need to, there's also a lot right across the street. There are showers there as well as bathrooms, which is very convenient. That said, even with this parking right in front of the beach, just remember guys, don't leave any valuables at all because theft is a very real thing here anywhere actually in Hawaii and they will break your windows. So just be really careful. Go down this little walkway. This beach is going to be best during the summertime when it's nice and calm. We are heading into summer season, so it's still some waves out here. There can be a strong current, so just pay attention to the flags that are out and be very, very careful anytime you're in the ocean. But it's quite a gorgeous day out. I see a couple of surfers. Essential is Badger 50 Adventure Sport Mineral Sunscreen with Clear Zinc. Like this for hair, soften it, and my driver brush. So convenient too. You don't have to battle the huge crowds and the parking situation like at Waimea. Just step out of your car and you're right here at the water's edge. So just a few little things about the beach here at Sunset. It's gorgeous. However, when you first get in the water, especially if you're kind of right in the area where the line of cars is, there is a drop. So when you get into the water, it's a little, I guess a tiny bit gradual, and then it kind of just drops. It was over my head, definitely, and I'm pretty short. So anyway, it is helpful to know to expect that. You definitely want to be a comfortable swimmer, comfortable in the ocean. I do find that I look for the areas where the wave isn't breaking. I normally try to enter in from that area, and I'll kind of wait till it's in between sets when it's kind of calm. I'll get into the water, and when I'm ready to get out, kind of wait till it calms down a little bit, and I'll use the momentum of a wave to kind of help to push me out again because of that drop. It is just helpful to be able to get back out of the water. Okay, so we were driving along to our next stop up in Kahuku and saw this farm stand along the side of the road. So pretty cool. They've got some Hawaiian grown fresh cut fruit. They've got shave ice right next door next to it. So if you're doing like a little road trip up here and need a little stop, this could be a really great one to stop at. They've got Kula shave ice. And that's so cute. And then they have banana bread, cut fruit at this middle one. Let's go explore the others. I was kind of wondering, we went to Turtle Bay last year. We were hosted and invited out for the day by the hotel, and they were telling us about their organic farm, but this, I guess, is kind of in cooperation with that, but still different. Hui Lima Farm, they have freshly brewed local coffee and all of these goodies. So this would be a great place to stop and to get some local souvenirs. They have everything from like scarves to laie vanilla. This is something very special. A lot of local things
nicer restaurants, maybe some places that do some handcrafted culinary things. La'i vanilla is very popular, very special, $35 for a 5-pack. It's a pretty good price. Found a little shopping area and they have a few little shops. So they have Hana Island Creations, looks like some wood carvings, tikis and things. And then they have a sea glass place. Now this one really interested me, but unfortunately they are closed today. They are open only Tuesday through Sunday. And what do you know, we're here on a Monday. But they've got local artists. So this looks like it could be a fun one to come and check out. There's a spot that does all of this aloha wear as well. This is kind of, you know, more basic, not really super nice aloha wear, but you know, it could suffice if you just want something casual and easy. And then Tanaka shrimp. My favorite shrimp is actually, I just saw that they reopened since the last time I was out here, and that's Romy's. But if you want to come here where there's less of a line, Tanaka shrimp.
The Kahuku Sugar Mill, they have a whole bunch of different things here, and these really cute little areas where you can sit outside and enjoy your food. They have some shops here, but we are here most especially for the Kahuku Beer Garden, where you could get a beer or a glass of wine. Really nice little treat along the way. We've got so many great places around here, and you guys know I'm not a beer drinker. My husband is, but I am not, so I'm curious to see what else they have. They've got places from here, the corner deli sandwiches, if you'd like hot and cold ones. And I thought this was so cute right next door. Look at this. United States Post Office, Kahuku, Hawaiʻi. Very cute down there. They've got restrooms, which is also very helpful when you are driving this long drive from Haleiwa up around to Kahuku. Here's another cute, the country. This looks adorable. Let's go check it out. Eatery and juicery. It kind of sounds more like my speed. They've got some really pretty little baked goods in the pastry case. Oh, that looks beautiful. An Earl Grey cupcake with lavender frosting, cookies, date bites, and a gluten-free carrot cake. That's so exciting. I'm definitely gonna have to get that. I think we're gonna do a little walk around and then show you guys what we got at the end. But first stop, I just had to, because there were only 2 pieces left. So exciting. Look at this gluten-free carrot cake. That looks incredible. I can't wait to try it. You wanted to try a food truck and maybe you weren't hungry when you were in Haleiwa? Well, come here to Kahuku. You'll be able to get that craving fulfilled. They've got a few little food trucks here, including the super popular Bog Guy. I am so sad. They're actually closed today, but I'm gonna have to come back up here, check it out another time. They've got breakfast. Wow, how can you beat that? $5 for 2 eggs, rice, and 3 maple links? That's incredible. Such a good price. Come check out this food truck courtyard though, because you never know what kind of little gems may be in here. Starting with the corn dog. I have a friend who loves corn dogs. That might be a fun one to come and check out. And they've got great seating out here too. Malasadas,
It's over here.
Portuguese donuts, definitely a must if you can have Poppy's tacos. I love a good taco. That sounds like it's totally for me. Then they also have, I see a taro hut up there. Taro buns. Taro bread is delicious. That would be a fun one to check out. And here's empanadas. Okay, this is so cute. Look at this. They have a little area with the directional signs and a great place to come and to sit. It's super busy here. A great spot in here to do some shopping. Such great souvenirs. Oh, I love this print. Isn't that beautiful? I love the hibiscus. And this one of the girl with the lace. That is beautiful as well. Lots of really cool things in here. Oh, I want to show you guys this too. I think I've showed you before. If you get a sunburn, Aloy, Maui Vera, super convenient, really great stuff. They have so many things in here. This is such a cool vibe. Mom's Bakery by 7 Brothers. They've got stickers, all kinds of things. I see that they have ice cream, gelato, milkshakes. It looks like a whole bunch of
really nice looking bakers too. And if I remember correctly, they are famous for their banana bread, but those cinnamon rolls look pretty fantastic as well. Vanilla chocolate, one of my favorites. Classic cookies. It smells so incredibly good in here. And they've got some award-winning gelato. So this would be really nice if you want a nice cold treat because it's hot out. And it looks like pretty good stuff. That lychee one, I am eyeing, thinking about maybe I should grab a scoop. Kahuku Beer Garden. Beer and wines by the glass. This is a pretty cool place. You just grab and go. If you want to drink here, you can go to the bar. This is the bottle shop. Everything in here is going to be to go. But if you're staying up at the Ritz-Carlton, this could be a great one. Come and try something. Take it back to your room. They've got a huge selection of items. Lots of local ones I'm seeing here. They've got some bottles of wine. You see Kahlua, some of their rums. Very cool. They've got a cool little area with like hats and stickers and that kind of thing. Seven Brothers, we got a lettuce wrapped burger. This is a single patty with some cheese, grilled onions, special sauce, and a little bit of teriyaki sauce, I believe. I also got their salad. That looks really good, nice fresh greens. There was that Polynesian dressing on it. I did add some macadamia nuts and coconut on it. I love shredded coconut. And their famous home fry.
Thanks again so much for spending the day with us here on Oahu's beautiful North Shore. We'd love to know in the comments which stop was your favorite. And if you're planning a trip to Hawaii or another destination around the world and would like a little extra help, whether that's access to special hotel rates, cruise perks, a custom itinerary filled with under-the-radar local gems, or simply having everything taken care of for you, I'd love to help as a certified travel advisor and travel curator. You can always reach out to us at aloha@hawaiigirllife.com. And if you haven't subscribed yet, we'd be so super grateful to have you do so and be part of our Hawaii-loving and travel-loving ohana. Thanks again so much for spending part of your day with us. As always, we're sending you sunshine and aloha, this time from Oahu's charming North Shore.